Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Boy Delhi. Please link subscribe and share this link your friend.
Today's topic is Python downloading and installing in your PC desktop and laptop for C++ Java coding. So going to Google and types Python download for system. My types of Python. Available in official Python website. This website link is in bio, so please download. Now download the latest version for Windows. Download is complete. Now install. Start now. Right click Python setup. And then click install now and setup progress installing. So now I am going to snipping tool open now. Screenshot is complete. Now check Python 3.11.0. Documentation. Now scroll for desktop and then I am check setup in progress. Is setup was successful. Now going to Win keys are pressed. Now types Python. Thank you for watching this video. Please link subscribe and share link Technical Boy Delhi. Setup installing was successful. Now going to Win keys are pressed. Now types Python. Thanks for watching this video. Please link subscribe and share link Technical Boy Delhi.